Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI. The custom training process lets you customize certain training settings, including data transforms. Transforms let you rescale, resize, and crop all the images in your dataset before model training starts. Before we dive in, here are some important notes about data transforms. The transform setting exists to ensure that all images are a standard size. Any transforms applied here are also applied to images you run inference on. After applying these transforms, ensure the objects or regions you are trying to detect are clearly visible. You can spot check your changes by using the Preview tool. You must either resize or rescale with padding, but not both. If you want to crop images, you must resize or rescale images first. There is a maximum size for rescaling and resizing. Now you may be wondering whether to resize or rescale your images. Rescaling maintains the aspect ratio. If you enter dimensions that don't match the aspect ratio, LandingLens adds padding to maintain the aspect ratio. By default, the padding color is black. You can change this by entering a grayscale value in this field. The manual resize setting resizes your images to the height and width you enter and does not maintain the original aspect ratio. This means that if you enter dimensions that don't match the original aspect ratio, the image will be squeezed or stretched. The final transform lets you apply the same crop to all images. If you add a crop, you must either rescale or resize the image first to avoid the possibility that the crop will fall outside the boundaries of small images. There are a few ways to crop images. You can enter the points of each corner of the cropped area in the fields provided, or click and drag the handles of the crop box. And those are the data transforms LandingLens offers. Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.